Káàárọ̀ gbogbo rẹ̀ káàárọ̀ sílẹ̀ wà lókè látòrí Oduduwa TV radio. Ẹ jẹ́ bá wa tẹ̀lé wa lórí TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Ó ṣe pàtàkì. A kí gbogbo wa o, ẹ dẹ̀ kú ọjọ́ ìsinmi òní o. Eh, Ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin kọ tó wà lókè òun lẹ̀ ń rí yẹn. Ó sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan tó ṣe pàtàkì mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kí á mẹ́nu bà. Tẹ bá ti wò kẹ́ wò ó kọ síbẹ̀ èdè Yorùbá èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ló fi kọ ó ní Jésù kì í ṣe funfun. Pé ká tají ẹ wò ó á dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn.
I am coming on here to speak the truth to all of the Christians who have been lied to. Sorry to bust your bubble, but Jesus is not white. All y'all have pictures of him on your walls, acting as if he's white. He ain't white. All the textbooks showing all the people in the Bible white, they ain't white. It's all a lie. All the white supremacy, all the white racist people changed it all to make it as if the white people rule the world. But Jesus is not white. Jesus is actually black. If you read in the Bible, his hair is like as wool. Only black people have wool. And if you read, he was a Galilean Jew. Back then, the Israelites, their origin where they were black. So all the people in the Bible that you know of, Noah, Jonah, Moses, Adam, all of them were black. All the people in the Bible were Israelites, and they were all black. And whenever the Israelites, they hooked up with black Hemites, and the Hemites were Egyptian women. So black Shemites intermarried with black Hemites, and the Hemites were Egyptian women, and that gave rise to Arab nation. So Jesus was a Galilean Jew. He was an Israelite, and he was not white. He was black. All the people in the Bible was black. All of y'all have been lied to. And a lot of Christians are constantly lied to. There's so many fake Christians out here, it's disgusting. Like, how can a Christian who really loves the Lord and has God inside of him, how can he be a racist? How can that be? How is this whole world made up of Christians, but all of them are mostly racist? That's why there's so many black people getting killed and dying out, because all these fake Christians out here are killing them. How can you teach your kids that black people are different when we are all humans? How can you teach your kids to not like black people? Why? Because you're jealous of them? Why? Because you have fear of them? Because you guys have fear of them because you made them get angry. You made them be strong because they knew if they didn't be strong, they couldn't fight against y'all, or they couldn't go against y'all, because you've had so much anger towards them. For what reason? Because they're darker than a white person? Because they're a few shades darker than y'all? I don't see any of y'all as Christians, because if you have God in you, then you have the love of God. What's sad is there's so many churches all around the world, and they won't even let a black person walk in. That tells me right there, you guys ain't no Christ followers. You don't have the love of God in you. If you did, you'd love every single human being. You would love every person there was on this earth. So why don't y'all Christians, or so-called Christians, get it together? read, love people, make a difference. Go out and tell all these racist people that we are supposed to love one another. Stop this racism bullcrap. It's enough. It is enough. A lot of people didn't choose to be black. And you know what's sad? Is they shouldn't have to feel bad because they're black. God chose them to be black. They were born to be black. And they're only a few shades darker than a white person. We all bleed the same blood. This nonsense needs to end now. Wake up, y'all. Look at your history. Jesus was not white.
nísìnyí tẹ́tí wò ó, ǹjẹ́ ẹ rí i pé ó ṣe pàtàkì fún wa pé kí gbogbo wa ká sọ jí ẹ̀sìn tá à ń gbé sórí yìí wọ́n fi ń bò wá lójú ni o, kì í ṣe ìyà kì í ṣe ìbínú o, ẹ̀sìn kìrìtẹ́nì o, ẹ̀sìn mùsùlùmí ẹ̀sìn mùsùlùmí wọ́n fi bò wá lójú, wọ́n dẹ̀ fi èèyàn dúdú ni àwọn tí wọ́n dá ẹ̀sìn kìrìtẹ́nì àti Islam lẹ̀.